Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 11 Manilla Road. This is a 2-bedroom mid-terrace property. Moving inside, and we have the vestibule opening into this first reception room, which is really nicely presented. And then moving through, and we have an understairs storage pantry here on the left hand side. And then step down into the second reception room. Again, a nice size, having a window facing towards the rear aspect. And then continuing into the kitchen. Now we have a new boiler fitted on the left hand side. Goes through to the ground floor shower room. Okay, then on to the first floor, where we have the first bedroom here with 2 windows facing towards the front aspect. Nice size room. Coming through to the landing, with the stairs on the left, and around to the second bedroom. And we have a window facing towards the rear aspect from here. Onto the bathroom, really nicely fitted with a roll top bath, wash basin, WC, and then we also have the walk-in shower here in the corner. Then just moving outside into the garden, where we have a flagged pathway going down to the lawn garden area. Just look back at the property from here, and that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then do give the office a call as soon as you can. Thanks very much, and bye for now.